Hi, my name is Gretchen Nicholson. This is my presentation for virtual schools. First, we're going to start with what is virtual schooling, what that looks like, what are some benefits, what are some challenges. We're going to move next to the parents' role in virtual schools, the funding, and then some references. So first, what is virtual schooling? So a virtual school is where students attend classes only through the internet. So these types of schools provide students with curriculum and activities, but it's completely online. So students are able to complete this at their home, at a library. They don't really go to a classroom in order to complete this. Some benefits to this model are there's more flexibility to meet needs. There's an increased use of integration technology, which will better prepare students for the future. There's fewer distractions and time fillers. There's opportunities for struggling students to succeed, and improved relationships with family, friends, and instructors because they're constantly working together. They're spending more time. And then some of the challenges, it's really easy to fall behind. Students really don't have a face-to-face socialization aspect. And then supervision is normally minimal. And then the parents' role in this is the parents are going to work really closely with their children, guiding them through the daily lessons. They're going to actively participate in their daily learning, where in a normal school, they really wouldn't be participating too much in their daily learning. They're going to communicate with the teachers to better help support their children, and they're going to attend parent groups and workshops in order to help with what their students are doing in their virtual school. And then how are these funded? So unlike traditional public schools, most public virtual schools do not receive local property taxes. Funding is normally given via state public education funds, and some are given through fees or grants. So some of the costs that you'll see are the virtual schools with student instruction. The teachers are often the highest expense that you'll see. And then curriculum costs can vary depending on which program that the schools pick. So that is virtual schooling. Here are my references. Thanks for watching.